Hey everyone, let's get to it. Let's change the colors of the negative value of this chart. You can do this for primary Y or secondary axis. So let's right click, format axis, go to number, select category custom, and the type, let's select red. And there you have it. It's already built in to Excel, either Mac or Windows. Now for a bonus, if you want to change the color red to say blue, that's possible. Go to your format code and edit the text red to blue, then click add. Now let's say if you want to change it to green, that's possible too. Type in green in the color name field and click add. Now, I'm not sure why you would try to do the blue or green. Orange does not work, by the way. Now again, that's just a bonus feature. If that's the case, try to push back with your client and explain to them that red is the standard color for most statistical or financial chart purposes of reflecting or depicting, displaying negative values. Thanks for watching. See ya.